Welcome! Today, we'll guide you through the process of taking stunning graduation photos using the Nikon COOLPIX P950. Whether you're photographing a loved one or capturing your own moment, follow these steps to ensure your photos are memorable. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's crucial to understand your subject. Graduation photos are all about capturing the joy and pride of the moment. Think about the story you want to tell. Is it the excitement of a new beginning, the relief of hard work paying off, or perhaps the pride of family and friends? Having a clear idea will guide your photography choices. Take a moment to talk with your subject. Understand their preferences, their best angles, and the emotions they want to convey. This will make them more comfortable and ensure the photos reflect their true personality. Remember, the key to great graduation photos is making your subject shine. Now, with a better understanding of your subject, let's move on to the technical preparations. Step 1. Prepare your camera. First, charge the battery. Ensure your Nikon COOLPIX P950 battery is fully charged. Next, insert the memory card. Make sure there's a memory card in the camera with ample storage for high-resolution images. Finally, clean the lens. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the lens for clear, sharp photos. Step 2. Camera settings. Start with mode selection. Turn the mode dial to P, programmed auto, for versatile shooting conditions. For image quality, set it to fine and resolution to the highest setting for detailed photos. Set the ISO to auto for adaptability in various lighting conditions. Then, set the white balance to auto to ensure colors are accurate. Lastly, use single AF, AFS for still subjects or continuous AF, AFC for moving subjects. Step 3. Composition. Choose a clean, uncluttered background to make the subject stand out. Graduation venues often have ideal spots like arches, greenery, or institution landmarks. For framing, use the rule of thirds to position your subject. Place them off-center to create a balanced and visually appealing composition. Use a wide aperture, a low f-number, to blur the background and focus on the subject. This can be adjusted in the camera's aperture priority mode. Step 4. Lighting. Use natural light whenever possible. Position the subject facing the light source, for example, the sun, to avoid harsh shadows. If the lighting is uneven or shadows are harsh, use the built-in flash to fill in the shadows. The best times for natural light photography are during the golden hours, shortly after sunrise or before sunset. Step 5. Posing and capturing. Capture candid moments such as the graduate interacting with friends and family, or adjusting their cap and gown. Have the graduate stand or sit in a relaxed, natural pose. Capture a mix of close-up shots and full-body shots. When photographing groups, ensure everyone is visible and in focus. Use a small aperture or high f-number to keep everyone in focus. Step 6. Reviewing and retaking. Periodically review the photos on the camera's LCD screen to ensure proper exposure and composition. If a photo doesn't turn out as expected, adjust your settings or composition and retake the shot. Step 7. Post-processing. Use photo editing software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop to enhance your photos. Fine-tune exposure, contrast, and color balance. Crop the image if necessary to improve composition. Save your edited photos in high resolution and share them with the graduate and their loved ones. By following these steps, you'll be able to capture beautiful and memorable graduation photos with your Nikon COOLPIX P950. Remember, the key to great photography is practice and experimentation. Congratulations to all the graduates and happy shooting. To find out more about the Nikon COOLPIX P150, visit the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.